If you could do anything you set your mind to, what would you do? Normally I'm a planner. I structure everything on my trips down to the day. But this time was different. I only planned my accommodations and one paragliding tour. Everything else was left to, well, however I felt in the moment. So I packed up my bag and set off to hike in the Alps.
For a walk that's 22 miles long.
Maybe it's just my rose-colored glasses, but the air feels different high up in the mountains. It smells sweeter, lush with crisp breezes, inviting clouds ready to hug you with every stride you take. Even the rain was pleasant, though I'm usually biased towards moody weather. I honestly was very anxious leading up to this trip, but sometimes you need to do the things that you're most anxious about in order to grow and experience all the new, amazing things that lie just past where you're comfortable going. Whether that means going on a solo hike, or even leaving the house. Doing the fun, scary things opens up so many possibilities in life. Taking time to explore and write, with an I'll get there when I get there mentality, reset my entire sense of self. I spend so much time thinking about the next step in my journey, I forget how to just be in the present. I'm not an avid hiker, but I am an explorer. And that means I'll go almost anywhere to see what lies beyond. With "it's about the journey, not the destination" burned into my mind throughout the whole trip, I wasn't expecting to get very far on this hike. It's 2,317 meters of elevation gain, and a little over 5 miles up to the hut. Throughout my hike, I passed by a few folks who said very kind words about how I'll make it to the top. But as someone who only hikes every few months, I wasn't very convinced. But I pushed on because I knew my body was capable, and because every turn led to another breathtaking view that I just couldn't pass up. The little moments of joy in nature and the feeling of otherworldly isolation were completely worth the struggle. The waterfall is about the halfway point up to the hut. The slippery rock felt a little sketchy, but the cool water was a welcome reprieve from the extremely hot Swiss sun. At times, I did feel like I was out of shape, and not really sure if I deserved to be there. But I kept reminding myself how strong and capable I really am. And oh my god, the view and the sense of accomplishment is something I'll carry with me for the rest of my life. After 4 hours of climbing, I was the last one to arrive amidst the morning crew who trekked up. But I didn't mind. I celebrated with a sandwich and the biggest glass of apple juice I've ever had. The only thing that mattered to me was how I was feeling and where I was going. I surprised myself with how far my legs, my body, could carry me. I reached a peak I didn't think I would actually get to. And I made it to see all the beautiful views until the clouds quickly rolled in. Some of the folks who talked to me in the beginning lit up seeing me at the top, their smiling faces saying, "Hey, you made it!" partly made it worthwhile. Is this how runners feel when accomplishing a marathon? Is this how summiteers feel when they reach a peak? I had so many emotions, all at once. I'm not a hiker, but I am determined. Good morning. Well, I guess it's technically afternoon. I'm getting my stuff ready to go to the cafe before it closes. I think it closes in like 2 hours. It's been a slow morning. The train ride was like a 3-hour journey with a couple different transfers. That was right after the 11-mile hike up and down the mountain. It's been pretty rough. But considering I don't feel that sore. I think it's mostly just my shoulders from carrying my backpack and all the camera gear yesterday. Other than that, I feel pretty good. I explored around Zurich for the last couple of days of my trip, spending a lot of time away from my phone, sitting with my thoughts, observing little things that I took for granted in my everyday. You never know what you miss until you see it in a different perspective.